god.
I can't stay on this thing.
You're getting your white shirt all dirty again.
Oh well, I'll wash it with OxiClean. How to fall off like a pro, like a boss. My ass is out.
Put your feet up again.
I don't want to fall off. Okay. Ow! Ah, I refuse to fall. No! No! I'm almost there. It's going to my butt! I can't do this!
Oh my god.
Why is this one so hard?
This one hurts the bum.
This one shoves his tail up my butt. Ow! Oh, no.
You know, get on it and then like put your legs over the thing. Like over the bar in the front. And then maybe